Hello, and welcome to the course AI for Automated Testing and UI Design. My name is Daniel, and I've worn many different hats over the years. I graduated with a degree in graphic design, spent 10 years working as a full stack developer, and then went on to share my skills with others as a teacher. Just like you, I've seen the hype on social media about some amazing designs created with AI. Some of it is super exciting, while some of it is honestly quite scary. Why? Well, what does it mean for our industry? As soon as you step away from social media, you do start to kick the tires a little bit and find that some of it's not quite as good as it's hyped up to be. And yet, some things are. Let's just say, though, that mileage can vary and scale definitely can be a problem. So, in this course, we're going to keep things real. We understand that AI is not a silver bullet, but paired with thoughtful human guidance, it can be a powerful tool that enables both speed and creativity. That's why for this course, I've created a complete example site for a fictional tutoring service called Mentora. We'll build this site up together step by step with the help of AI. Here's what you can expect throughout the entirety of the course. We'll start by creating a professional grade landing page with an engaging hero section with video backgrounds. We'll add micro interactions that enhance the user experience and give the homepage that little extra something. We'll add interactive animations and scroll effects. We'll create fluid elements that break up the boxiness of the page to give it a little bit more life. There will be multiple content sections on this landing page with practical but varied UI elements to increase interest and engagement. Of course, there will be consistent branding throughout the page, and we will do all of this with the help of AI. After we get done with the homepage, we'll move on to building a blog where each post gets automatically generated on brand imagery for the social sharing or the open graph images. These images will also be consistent in both style and quality, with the feature images displayed on the individual blog posts. Embedded image text within these open graph images will be added programmatically in order to avoid AI spelling mistakes. For the About page of this website, we'll take a layout and design that was created in Figma and then use the Figma MCP for our IDE to port it directly into the codebase. Of course, maintaining design and fidelity of that Figma mockup during the transition. Finally, for the teachers page, we'll create an interactive interface for both filtering and searching teachers that we'll create end-to-end tests for with the help of AI, ensuring that it continues to work as expected both now and in the future. By the end of this course, you'll be able to build professional websites faster with the help of AI. That includes many different aspects of the process, from creating consistent and on-brand imagery automatically to translating Figma designs to code efficiently. Of course, making sure all of this is tested with end-to-end tests with the help of AI, and you can be sure that you'll walk away with some reusable workflows for your own projects. Most importantly, you'll learn how to embrace AI to empower your creativity instead of replacing it.